Hello there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create an activation profile in Jamf Security Cloud. Activation profiles are used to enroll devices in the Jamf Security Cloud portal and can be customized depending on which capabilities you'd like to deploy to specific devices. Starting on the dashboard, navigate to Devices, Activation Profiles in the sidebar. Click Create Profile. Here, we can select one or more of Jamf Security Cloud's capabilities to deploy to devices enrolled using this profile. For this example, I'm choosing Content Controls, which manages network activity using Internet content filtering and usage controls within Jamf Protect. I'm also choosing Network Security, which protects our network connections from security threats. For more information on all of the listed capabilities, check out the Jamf Security Cloud Portal documentation. On the authentication screen, we can ensure users need to sign in to Jamf Trust from our organization's identity provider in order to enroll the device. If we do not utilize an identity provider, we can elect to assign a random identifier to the device upon enrollment, or prompt the user to enter their name and email. I'm leaving without identity provider and assign random identifier selected and clicking Next. On the Advanced Settings page, we can configure 4 additional settings for devices using this profile. Display in-app Secure DNS control allows users to turn on and off secure DNS capabilities on their device. I'm leaving this setting off to disable that control. Enable Jamf Customizable Block Pages displays a Jamf-branded block page when a user attempts to access restricted content. If disabled, a standard Apple block page will be used instead. I'm choosing to disable this setting. Expiration date, fittingly, adds an expiration date for this profile, after which devices will no longer be able to use it to enroll in the Jamf Security Cloud portal. Determine device location sets how location data will be collected from the device. For more accuracy, location services can be selected as the source of location data, which may require extra permissions from the user. I'm leaving this set to best effort. Click Next to proceed. Here, we can provide a descriptive name for this activation profile and assign it to a device group in Jamf Security Cloud. This determines where devices enrolled using this profile are assigned. I'm entering a name and leaving default group as my targeted device group. Click Next to review our settings. On this final screen, we are able to review all of the settings we just configured before saving. Remember that most activation profile settings cannot be altered after creation, and instead must be recreated in a new profile if adjustment is needed. If everything looks correct, click Save and Create to save the profile. After creation, the profile deployment page is shown with a shareable link to download the profile, as well as manage deployment options through a Unified Endpoint Manager, or UEM, such as Jamf Pro or Jamf School. For more information on deployment, check out the documentation linked in the resources. Thanks for watching.